Hi, I'm Adi, and I lead the Partner Solutions engineering team for LinkedIn's marketing APIs. My team focuses on improving your experience working with LinkedIn's APIs, collaborating with partners and developers like you to create valuable marketing solutions to serve our shared customers. Today, I'm excited to introduce consultation workshops with the LinkedIn Partner Solutions engineering team. We're offering one-on-one workshops to accelerate your path to partnership with LinkedIn by helping you build a best-in-class solution, reducing your time to build, and getting your product to market faster. Whether you're new to LinkedIn's marketing APIs, want to enhance your existing solution, or are looking for new ways to build with us, we are here to help and lend our expertise. Our goal is to push beyond the common use cases of our APIs and venture into what's possible. As your thought partners, we will brainstorm innovative solutions with you to deliver unique value to B2B marketers. Let's think outside the box together. Get started by reaching out at partnerenablement@linkedin.com. Thank you.